Hi. So in the earlier video, I mentioned about the mapping, alright, where I mentioned that the first variable maps to the first parameter, second variable to the second parameter, and so on. Alright. Now, Python gives us an option, alright, where we do not need to be concerned about the order of the parameters by strictly assigning each parameter to the name given in the function. Alright, so let me give you an example. Alright, so I'm going to create a function here, okay, called subtract A and B. Okay, and I'm going to say result equals to A minus B and print result. Now, if I call the subtract function with, let's say, 1 and 5, alright, then it performs the subtraction of 1 minus 5, giving me minus 4. Alright, now again, the mapping is 1 to 1 based on the order. So the first parameter 1 maps to A, second parameter 5 maps to B. Alright, so if I want to be specific, alright, I can assign the values directly to the specific variable name, and I do not need to be concerned about the order. Alright, so for example, I can say A is 5 and B is 1. Alright, so in this case, the order does not matter because I am assigning the variables directly based on the name given in the function. Alright, so now if I run it, I will get the value of 4 because A is having a value of 5 and B is having a value of 1. So 5 minus 1 gives me 4. Alright, so this is another variation, alright, of passing values to functions, okay, through parameters where you assign the values directly while you are calling the function. Alright, so hope this clears up this concept over here. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.